Did you know that there is a completely natural way to restore your cucumber's strength, prolong their flowering, and get back to producing fruits that are full of flavor and juiciness? Many gardeners think that when a cucumber starts to turn yellow, wilt, or reduce the number of fruits, that's the end of the harvest. But the truth is that the plant is lacking nutrients at that moment and that we can help it to fully recover. Instead of expensive and chemical preparations, nature offers us a simple, yet powerful recipe. All you need is 1 tablespoon of dry yeast, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 5 liters of lukewarm water. Yeast acts as a powerful growth stimulator, releasing nutrients easily available to plants and activating microorganisms in the soil, while sugar feeds those same beneficial bacteria that make the soil alive and fertile. Let this mixture sit for a few hours, then pour it directly around the roots of the cucumbers, preferably in the morning or evening when the sun is not strong. After just a few days, you will notice fresh, dark green leaves and new flowers that mean only one thing: the fruits are coming again. Try this trick and extend your harvest season, and your cucumbers will thank you with rich and delicious fruits by the end of the summer.